Our topic focuses on history about the development of communication and transportation industry in post office. According to the Australian curriculum for inquiry and skills, we will focus on the skill of analyzing. Let students compare transportation used by the post office from the past with those from the present, and consider how it has changed over time. For the knowledge and understanding, we will focus on how changing technology affected people's lives, and then we will let students examine changes in technology over several generations by comparing past and present objects and discussing how these changes have shaped people's lives. In particular, we will talk about what changes have happened to the post office, what impacts these changes will bring to people's lives, and are these influences good or not? We use this resource to show how communication and transportation industry have changed over time. In the previous time, people wrote letters for communication. They sent letters to the post office, and the letters traveled for a long time by carriage to reach its destination. But nowadays, letters and even goods could travel over the world by different transportation. Here, we could ask students to discuss by what transportation the cargo could be transferred. After they figure out different transportation, we will invite them to compare the transportation of the past and the present. Children could develop an understanding of how the change of transportation affects people's life and whether or not this change is beneficial. We use paper to make all the components and colored pencils to draw pictures on that. 5 static techniques here are a paper clip to stabilize the letter, double-faced sticky tape, and magic tape for the stationary pictures, glue for sticking the bottle caps, as well as the staple for this package. 5 moving techniques are magic tape for removal stickers, paper-linked boards that could fold, the moving letter, the door of the post office, the removable paper cover for this part, and the container of the ship, which are both linked by paper clips. We use 5 recycled materials, magic tape and pictures that could be recycled and used again. The food wrapping to represent cargo. The bottle cap for the car's tires, and waste paper to link the boards. All materials we use are safe for children, but there are some limitations and modifications. We should use more recycling materials from our daily lives, like waste cardboard from boxes, to replace the nude white cardboard. We still should think about how to save the space. In addition, the reverse design of the plate is good, but the operation of it is not convenient, which will impact the fluency of the teaching.